Hello there, this is Mark from Analysis Prime University, and in this tutorial we will go over the side menu navigation within SAP Analytics Cloud. Here is a view of an SAC homepage, and off to the left you will see the side menu. Sometimes it's called the navigation bar, the sidebar, the main menu bar, a lot of different names, but ultimately it is there always to take you where you need to go within the system. We can expand it if we're not sure what these icons mean, and the navigation bar or the side menu is broken out into three main sections. The top section will always have a home button link and a files button to take you to the file repository where you can view the different objects that you have access to in your environment. Next is the apps section, and as you can see in here, we can jump to stories if we want to look at and build stories, or modeler if we want to look at and build models. That's the apps section in the middle. At the bottom, underneath the next white line, is an administration section. And down here, depending on your access, you will see different administrator options. But everybody will have the system button at the very bottom where you can view information about the tenant that you are accessing. The side menu can always be collapsed or expanded with a simple click of the top left icon of your SAC screen. We can click on a couple of options really quickly here. So here's Stories. It takes me to the Stories application landing page. I can navigate to Modeler and see the Modeler application landing page. And I can always go back to my home page by clicking Home. Now the side menu is always accessible in SAC. However, it might look like it's gone away. If I open up a story, you'll notice that the story gets the full real estate of the screen. I do not have the miniaturized navigation bar any longer. However, the icon is always there, and I can click on that to expand my navigation bar.